kid.
You dip the whole thing?
Yeah, try it without the sauce so you can tell the difference. So this is the Florida style. This is the blackened style.
No, the Florida
gator.
is the one that doesn't have a batter.
No, this is the blackened one.
Is it?
It's spicy.
It's not spicy at all.
He has ranch in his hair.
Why?
Can he try something?
No, cho em ăn cay không?
No, just give him the non-spicy one.
No, cay. All these
What does it taste like? Chicken?
Yeah.
People told me it tastes like chicken.
Kind of a little chewy. Red, try to taste the meat, see how is it.
I already did.
Is it like chicken?
Is it more dry or more
Chicken,
juicy?
something's
More dry.
different about
It's
it.
more lean.
Uh-huh.
It's sweet
It's good.
and yeah, it's good.
I like this one.
Okay, let's see which one we can feed Vincent.
Ôi, cay á.
Gayong,
All these are spice.
did you add
Maybe
spice?
that one.
Let me try this one.
That one's okay.
No, Vincent.
No.
No?
You want fry?
You want fries?
Why am I?
Sure.
Why introduce? We eating